Hey, what is going on to the AMC stock family? Wow, has it been a while since we've talked about this one equity? And for that, I'd just like to take a quick second to apologize for that. But now here we are, so I don't want to waste too much time in the introduction. Now we must talk about the explosion that I believe has already started to initiate, right? The AMC explosion that we've all been waiting for is already starting to take place. And here's exactly why. So ever since last week, I was detecting some unusual call option activity. So in the homepage over here, we have multiple equities that we could discuss. We have stocks like Tesla, the S&P 500, and we even have Amazon QQQ, a lot of these tech stocks, but do not get fooled, okay? Because I believe that this decides to take in all this information before the after hour closing. The after hour trading is after 4 p.m., but this only takes into account before that. And what exactly happened today? Well, if we take a look at BBBY, which is Bed Bath & Beyond, then here we go, okay? It has already started to initiate. And again, we will be talking about AMC. It all intersects. Do not worry, okay? Here it is, 27.44 cents. 80% almost in just the after hour trading. What is going on? Well, let me just tell you guys, the Bed Bath & Beyond just announced a 3-year repurchasing program. Again, AMC stock family, whenever you hear the words repurchase program, whenever you hear a stock buyback, you are supposed to buy. Obviously, no one is forcing you to buy anything, but again, that is one indication. It is the easiest indication that means you need to buy the stock, or at least that would be a pretty wise decision, because then this happens, right? There's an explosion, and again, this is just the after hour trading. All these call options, they do not account for what is happening in the after hours. So many people in tomorrow, right, tomorrow's trading day, they will decide to buy more call options, okay? Enphase also announced a stock buyback last quarter, okay? Let's see what Enphase is at right now. And Enphase was one of the stocks that I did decide to buy as soon as they announced a stock buyback last year. We were able to buy Enphase not even 1 year ago for $129. The stock is now sitting at $236. That is why whenever you hear the words again, reach purchase program or a stock buyback, you should buy the stock. It would be a pretty wise decision. And if you do not even want to invest in the stock for the long term, then that is fine. But usually insane moves like this happen in the near future. Because basically repurchase programs in essence is when the company itself, the administration, is deciding to buy more shares of the company. Why would they want to do that if they don't have any conviction in their own company? Some companies, they actually don't do that. But that's why whenever you hear stuff like that, the stocks usually go crazy right after that is announced. Now again, so this call options, it doesn't take into account any of that yet. We have to see what happens in tomorrow's trading day. And so if we go to AMC stock, this is why they all move in the same direction. They all move together. We are almost at $41. So I just explained to you, it was just Bed Bath & Beyond that announced exciting and amazing news, right? The repurchasing program. Well, let me just tell you guys here, the $40 call options that we have over here doesn't take into account anything. $5.1 million have already started to flow in for the $40 call option chain. This is just ever since before the Bed Bath & Beyond news decided to come out. Imagine what is going to happen in tomorrow's trading day when we have even more of a short squeeze happening. Because the short squeeze that happened for Bed Bath & Beyond, it is yet to happen to the same extent for AMC, because right over here we are up 10.5%. And some may even say that for Bed Bath & Beyond has yet to have the entire short squeeze yet, because again, some brokerages do not allow you to trade in after hour trading. There are so many more individuals that have not decided to short cover. For short covering, it basically means if you're betting against a stock and then the stock decides to have an insane move to the upside, you have to cover your position by buying back the stock. This is what happened. Not only did they announce a share repurchase program, but also the people that were short selling the stock, they got absolutely squeezed. And it's still probably going to continue tomorrow too, because again, we are in the after hour trading. Now let's go back to AMC stock, because this is how it's all going to relate. Right now, AMC has also a lot of short sellers. And so because of that concept, they're probably going to be, even tomorrow, because again, we are right now in the after hour trading. I cannot emphasize this enough. Even this website is saying Tuesday, November 2nd at 4:40 p.m. Just because we're in after hours, what's probably going to happen tomorrow, in my opinion. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is why I've been deciding to accumulate AMC ever since last week, because of the unusual option activity. And then here we go. We have the Bed Bath & Beyond news. And then not only that, there are probably still a lot of short sellers stuck in this stock, both for BBBY and also for AMC. And based off of history, right, from experiences in the past, when there are usually a lot of short sellers stuck in the stock, there's going to be a short squeeze. Well, we're already seeing this occurring right now. That's why I'm saying the explosion has already started to probably initiate. And so that is also why I'm waiting for AMC to hit $50 a share. I don't want AMC to see any number lower than that. I will not initiate any sort of position, whether it's a buy or a sell, if AMC AMC is not at least at $50 a share. It's pretty simple because, again, this is just based off my own conviction that it probably will go there. And again, this is just my conviction, and this is based off the unusual call options that I was detecting last week. Even last week, I had the idea of I'm not going to do anything with AMC stock unless it reaches at least $50 a share. And even at that price, I may not decide to do anything with it just because the end of the year price target for AMC, I'm still deciding what my ultimate price target is for just this 1 year, right? Because the end of 2021 is probably also going to be another one of those absolutely fantastic years because history shows that the stock market does tend to perform extremely well during the month of November, which we are in right now, and hence also why AMC is up 10.5% in the after hours, right? Parabolic moves, they do indeed decide to happen in this month a lot. And also, we haven't even hit the holiday season yet, guys. I cannot emphasize that enough. And also, just one more time, we have a $5.1 million dollar amount behind this call option, and also we can go even more down the chain. But again, just imagine how much more this number is going to be at tomorrow morning's trading day. And by tomorrow morning, I'm not talking about the pre-market, although tomorrow during pre-market, it is probably going to be absolutely parabolic because the shorts need to get out. They right now are stuck, and so they need to get squeezed out. And for those that were wondering, okay, well, Bed Bath & Beyond had a actual catalyst behind it. They had a 3-year share repurchasing program or a 3-year share buyback program. What about AMC stock? Well, we actually do have news for AMC, and this article was posted on November 1st, 2021 at 8:12 a.m. So we do have some sort of catalyst that could actually launch AMC to the same extent of Bed Bath & Beyond. But of course, the BBBY news did directly help AMC. But for an actual fundamental catalyst, then here it is. Do not fear, because AMC stock jumps 2.5% pre-market after company says October was the best for ticket revenue. So not only did Bed Bath & Beyond, they announced some sort of a buyback program, but we now have AMC stock indicating that October was the best month for their ticket revenue. Well, let's continue reading. So AMC Entertainment jumped 2.5% in pre-market trade Monday after the cinema operator said October admissions revenue was the highest. The company did not offer any concrete numbers, but said domestic and international revenue were the highest since the theaters were closed. And this is an exact quote. He says that when the final tickets are counted for showtimes tonight, the domestic industry box office for October 2021 is estimated to come in considerably higher than any previous month since February. And then this article also mentions that yes, AMC shares, the meme stock, has gained over 1,500% in the year to date. And also right over here, they also do make an update. AMC is up almost 5% on the day. I'm not even sure if this accounts for the after hour trading because we just saw the number. It was actually 10%. And there's no way this is all happening in real time. Look at this, everyone. So $42.10 we have for AMC right now, $42.10. Absolutely insane. We were just at $41 and about 50 cents a share. And actually, we closed the day at 38.79 cents. This is what's going to happen in the near future. At least this is what I'm predicting. Okay, so here it is for all you technical analysis enthusiasts. Here it is. Here are my opinions. So I was adding to my initial position ever since last week because, again, of that unusual option activity detection. And so right over here, I believe that the number was about $36 a share because we do have a lot of support, and I know that it even did break the support level. So some may say that you should have just sold the position because yes, it did go lower. However, I didn't. And so over here, we are having a just direct balance off of here. And over here, we do see that we are already trading at $42 a share or $41.90. But if you just round it, it will be 42. I do believe that tomorrow's trading day is going to prompt us to a new level. Now, what exactly is this level going to be? I do believe that it will be taken a little bit taken at a time, day by day. I don't think it's all going to happen in one day. Okay, it hasn't been happening in the after hour trading. I don't think that it's going to all happen in just one extreme day. But I do believe that the next level that we will probably be going to is going to be resistance number 1. And I actually draw this resistance level at $44.45. And again, this is just what I'm waiting for, okay? Because this is the advantage of buying before the news decides to happen. So buying before at $36 a share, now it is extremely comfortable to wait until $44.45 a share. As you guys can see from this chart, AMC is very resilient. That's why I do not worry. Even if it breaks the support level, no worries. Because again, look at this resiliency right over here in this box. And I'm actually going to outline this box right over here. And when you take a look at that, AMC is already at $42.42 as I'm speaking. Okay, this box, I'm not sure why it's not really designed to highlight any of it, but that is okay. Let's just continue talking. So over here, we are already trading at $42.46. We are so close to this number already, $44.45. Now, do I think it's going to hit this number by the after hours today? Probably not. Do I think it's going to hit this number tomorrow? Probably. It probably does have some sort of chance. And so because we are already extremely close, then I think we will be able to get to our next level. What is our next level going to be? Well, my level is probably going to be at $50 a share. As I said in the beginning of the video, and as I mentioned in the beginning, I'm not going to decide to do anything to the stock unless it at least goes to that level. And the reason for that is because, especially with this new news, especially with this new catalyst, I do believe that there's just too much opportunity to decide to do anything with the stock beforehand. So now that you guys know what I'm going to be ending up doing for this equity, let me know in the comment sections what you guys will be doing with the AMC stock. Are you guys going to sell this equity, which my plans are to not sell because, again, so much opportunity, but I am saying for those of you guys that would like to take advantage of any type of trading, short-term trading, then the opportunity is probably going to be there in the near-term future. But again, AMC stock is a buy and hold long-term for me. That $50 level, that $44.45 level, these are all for the near-term, short-term traders. Now with that being said, AMC stock fan, again, let me know in the comment section what you are doing, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.